Hello boys and girls, and welcome to another market breakdown video. And in today's video, before we start with the analysis part, let me show you some of the results of the profitable strategy I use. And in case you need me to make a video explaining the strategy, comment down, and please don't forget to like and share. So let's dive straight into the results. So those are some of the results, and without any further ado, let's analyze the Gbpusd pair and look into what will be happening in the next coming week. And please don't forget to share the video. So right now, as we are at this chart, you see right here, let me get my tools up. So right now, let's start on the daily time frame, the one daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, as we look into this, we had this downtrend, this downtrend here. So market shifted from downtrend to an uptrend. So right now the highest probabilities are buy, the higher probabilities are buy. So at the moment right now, if we look back here, we are at we had a break of structure here. That was our break of structure, and we had our supply zone right there. And right now currently the market is at our supply zone as we mark that. So I'll delete all this. This was our break of structure, daily break of structure. Sorry, that's our daily break of structure. And by the time the market reached at this point here, as you see, this it came down, break structure, tapped into our supply zone, dropped, and made a change of character at this point. Those who don't know a change of character, that's when we are shifting from an uptrend to a downtrend. You get? This shows us that we are changing from an uptrend to a downtrend, and this was a valid break of structure here. This was a valid break of structure at this point, and a valid change of character here. So, and we have another supply zone here. Literally what we're marking here, we shall dive into the lower time frame and you see it clearly. So that's what we are seeing on the higher time frame. We mark everything that you see on the higher time frame. Remember, the higher time frame doesn't determine the direction, the overall direction of the daily or the weekly. So right now we're looking the overall direction and what are the highest probabilities we should look on the daily. So let's go to the 4-hour. And on the 4-hour, there's nothing much. Literally, we marked this break of structure, that break of structure, and this change of character here. This is a change of character, and this is a break of structure, no doubt. Break of structure, and currently we are at our supply zone, so we are likely to have a certain drop somewhere somehow. But since we're in an uptrend on the higher time frame, we were on an uptrend remember the line I drew like this, something I drew like this, when the series of higher highs and higher lows. So this could either make another higher high to come for a higher low, but according to this point, we have a chance that we may sell off, so that price picks this demand zone, this is a demand zone. Oh, because here price came down, broke structure, and after breaking structure, it made a change of character right there. That was a change of character, valid change of character. So right now I'm looking at this as liquidity, all this as liquidity, and we have a huge imbalance right here. This is a huge imbalance right there. So we're looking to price that it may come in the future or this coming week, it drops and takes out this imbalance and either go up from here or even continue low. Oh, currently at this level we may have price going even higher above this, but the highest probability is that it may drop because we're in a supply zone and we got a change of character right here. This means that we're either changing direction, but on the highest time frame we're still uptrending. So let's go on the 1 hour and then to the 15 minutes, then we see what's really there. So let's see here right now. We shall mark this as our break of structure, and also this I won't mark this as a change of as our break of structure, but I'll look at this as a ranging market right here. So you know what we call by a ranging market, stop loss hand, you get? So here there's nothing much really I can see here, only that let's go to the 15 minute, because on the 1 hour there's nothing really much to see. Let's go to the 15. So on the 15 here, I'm seeing a break of structure here, right here. We have a break of structure there and a change of character here. You see that? This is a change of character, break of structure, and then a change of character. And right here, remember we're in our supply zone, so we expect price may fall, may drop. So here we're going to try mark another supply zone. Here, what's the highest zone here? The last, you know what, I'm going to mark right here the last bullish candle before the bearish, before the bearish move down. So that was taken out, but I'm going to mark that. And we're seeing prices approaching the point. So this is our 15 minute. I'll type in 15 minute supply. Right center. So this is our 15 minute supply. So what I'm looking at, we have this. So right now we're looking for market to either drop from here to make a break of structure. You get? We're looking at that, or even come more further down and look for this point down here, this demand zone. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So we shall see on Monday what the market has for us. But overall, personally, I'll be looking for sells unless this supply is violated. Price goes above the supply zone. This higher supply zone. If price goes higher than this point, here, I'll be looking for another bias of buying, continuing buying. But if it doesn't go above this zone right here, I'll still look for this zone range. I'll still look for sales, opportunities of sell. But if it goes above this, then I'll be looking for buys to continue the daily time frame overall direction. So that's what I have on the Gbpusd. What always you won't see me analyzing gold or GBP, JPY or anything like that. Mainly you have to focus on one pair and truly learn it, the movements and everything. This really helps out, not over trading, avoid unnecessary losses. You get calculate your risk and everything. You remember they say master one skill, learn the skill and be perfect. Learning something and being perfect at something, it's more than learning 100 stuff and not being perfect in any. That's why they say one bird in hand is better than 500 or 1000 birds in the bush. So thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and please like it and share it if it was very important to you.